Are we alone in the universe? This is a question that has captivated humanity for centuries. The vastness of space, with its billions of galaxies and trillions of stars, suggests the possibility of other worlds teeming with life. The search for extraterrestrial life, or astrobiology, is a scientific endeavor that seeks to answer this profound question. Our planet Earth is the only known abode of life. It is a world teeming with diverse life forms, from microscopic bacteria to towering trees, all interconnected in a complex web of life. But life on Earth is not limited to lush forests and sparkling oceans. Life has found a way to thrive in the most extreme environments imaginable, places that would be lethal to most known organisms. These extreme environments, often characterized by harsh conditions such as extreme temperatures, pressure, salinity, or radiation, hold valuable clues to the potential for life beyond Earth. By studying these environments and the organisms that inhabit them, scientists gain insights into the limits of life as we know it and the potential for life to exist in environments vastly different from our own. Earth's extreme environments serve as natural laboratories for astrobiology. They provide a glimpse into the resilience of life and its ability to adapt to seemingly insurmountable challenges. By studying these extremophiles, organisms that thrive in extreme conditions, scientists can learn about the biochemical strategies that life employs to survive in such environments. These adaptations can be quite remarkable. Some extremophiles have evolved unique enzymes that function at high temperatures, while others have developed cellular mechanisms to withstand extreme pressure or salinity. Understanding these adaptations not only expands our understanding of life on Earth, but also informs our search for life on other planets. For instance, the discovery of extremophiles living in the frigid, dry conditions of the Atacama Desert in Chile, a place remarkably similar to the Martian environment, has fueled speculation about the potential for microbial life on Mars. Similarly, the study of organisms thriving near hydrothermal vents in the deep sea, where sunlight is absent and energy is derived from chemicals, has broadened our perspective on the possible energy sources that could support life in other worlds. The deep sea, a realm of perpetual darkness, crushing pressure and frigid temperatures, was once thought to be devoid of life. However, the discovery of hydrothermal vents in the late 1970s revolutionized our understanding of life in the ocean depths. These vents, spewing hot mineral-rich fluids from the Earth's interior, support thriving ecosystems independent of sunlight. Instead of photosynthesis, the primary energy source in most ecosystems, deep-sea vent communities rely on chemosynthesis. Chemosynthetic bacteria, the base of the food chain in these environments, utilize the chemical energy from the vents to produce organic matter, supporting a diverse array of life, including giant tube worms, clams, and crustaceans. The existence of life in such an extreme environment has profound implications for astrobiology. It suggests that life may not necessarily require sunlight to exist. On icy moons like Europa and Enceladus, which harbor vast subsurface oceans, hydrothermal vents similar to those found on Earth could potentially provide the energy and nutrients needed to support life. Deserts, often perceived as barren wastelands, are teeming with life that has adapted to the challenges of extreme aridity and temperature fluctuations. From the scorching Sahara to the frigid Gobi Desert, life has found ingenious ways to survive in these water-scarce environments. Desert plants, such as cacti and succulents, have evolved water storage mechanisms, enabling them to survive long periods of drought. Many desert animals are nocturnal, avoiding the searing daytime heat, and have evolved physiological adaptations to conserve water, such as concentrated urine and the ability to extract moisture from their food. The Atacama Desert in Chile, one of the driest places on Earth, is of particular interest to astrobiologists. Its extreme aridity, high UV radiation levels, and soil composition bear a striking resemblance to the Martian environment. The discovery of microbial life in the Atacama, some of which exist in a dormant state for decades, has fueled speculation about the potential for similar life forms to exist on Mars, perhaps in its subsurface, where conditions may be more hospitable. Polar extremes, the frozen frontier. The polar regions, characterized by frigid temperatures, ice-covered landscapes, and limited sunlight, are another example of Earth's extreme environments where life persists. From polar bears and penguins to microscopic algae and bacteria, Life has adapted to thrive in these challenging conditions. Many polar organisms have evolved anti-freeze proteins in their blood and cells, preventing the formation of ice crystals that could damage their tissues. Others have developed thick layers of blubber or feathers for insulation against the cold. The Arctic and Antarctic oceans, despite their icy grip, are teeming with krill, fish and marine mammals, highlighting the adaptability of life to extreme cold. The study of life in polar environments provides insights into the potential for life on icy worlds in our solar system. Europa, a moon of Jupiter, and Enceladus, a moon of Saturn, are thought to harbour vast subsurface oceans beneath their icy shells. These oceans, potentially warmed by tidal forces and hydrothermal vents, could provide conditions suitable for life, perhaps even resembling the life found in Earth's polar regions. Reaching for the sky life at high altitudes. High-altitude environments with their thin atmosphere, low oxygen levels and intense UV radiation present another set of challenges for life. Yet, life persists even on the slopes of Mount Everest, the highest point on Earth. Organisms living at high altitudes have evolved adaptations to cope with the low oxygen levels, such as increased red blood cell production and more efficient respiratory systems. Some plants have developed pigments that protect them from UV radiation, while others grow close to the ground for warmth and to avoid wind damage. These adaptations demonstrate the remarkable ability of life to adapt to a wide range of atmospheric pressures and oxygen levels. This has implications for our search for life on other planets. While the atmospheres of planets like Mars are much thinner than Earth's, the existence of life at high altitudes suggests that even thin atmospheres may not preclude the possibility of life. Strange parallels, Earth and beyond. The extreme environments on Earth, from the deep sea to high altitudes, provide a glimpse into the potential diversity of life that could exist on other planets and moons. While we have yet to find definitive evidence of extraterrestrial life, the study of Earth's extremophiles allows us to make educated guesses about what alien life might look like and where we might find it. For instance, the discovery of methane in the Martian atmosphere, a gas that can be produced by both geological and biological processes, has sparked intrigue about the possibility of methanogenic life on Mars, similar to microbes found in Earth's anaerobic environments. Similarly, the detection of organic molecules in the plumes of water vapor erupting from Enceladus's subsurface ocean has fueled speculation about the potential for life in this icy moon's hidden depths. The search for extraterrestrial life is not limited to finding exact replicas of life as we know it. Life on other planets, if it exists, could be vastly different from anything we have ever encountered, shaped by the unique conditions of its environment. However, by studying the diversity of life on Earth, particularly in extreme environments, we can broaden our understanding of the possibilities and refine our search strategies. Lessons from Earth guiding our search. The lessons learned from studying Earth's extreme environments have profoundly impacted our approach to searching for life beyond Earth. They have taught us that life is incredibly resilient and adaptable, capable of thriving in conditions we once thought impossible. This knowledge has expanded our search parameters, leading us to consider a wider range of planetary environments as potentially habitable. Moreover, understanding the adaptations of extremophiles has provided us with valuable biomarkers or indicators of life to look for in our exploration of other planets. These biomarkers can range from the presence of specific gases in an atmosphere such as methane or oxygen, to the detection of organic molecules or mineral deposits that could indicate biological activity. The search for extraterrestrial life is a challenging endeavor, but it is a testament to our innate curiosity and desire to understand our place in the cosmos. By studying the extreme environments of our own planet, we gain a deeper appreciation for the tenacity of life and equip ourselves with the knowledge and tools to explore the vast universe for signs of life beyond Earth. A universe of possibilities. The universe is a vast and mysterious place filled with countless wonders waiting to be discovered. While the search for extraterrestrial life remains one of the most profound scientific endeavors, it is a journey driven by the human spirit of exploration and our unyielding desire to unravel the mysteries of the cosmos. The lessons learned from studying Earth's extreme environment serve as a beacon, guiding our search for life beyond our planet. They remind us that life is tenacious, adaptable, and full of surprises. As we continue to explore the universe, we do so with a sense of wonder and anticipation, knowing that the discovery of even the simplest life form on another world would be a transformative event, forever altering our understanding of life in the universe. The search for extraterrestrial life is not merely about finding aliens, it is about understanding the origins, evolution, and diversity of life itself. It is a journey that takes us to the very limits of our understanding and pushes us to explore new frontiers of knowledge. And in the process, we may just discover that we are not alone in the vast cosmic ocean.